Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your update for Bitcoin. What's going on? What an up and down. We will speak about this, we will make an analysis now. Let's go. So guys, what's going on with Bitcoin? What's going on with the cryptos? And you can see it's bloody red. Everything is going down. Bitcoin is going down 6%, 24 hours. XRP is going down. Ethereum is going down. The Binance coin is going down. Everything is going down. We have here a slightly bearish for Bitcoin, Ethereum for Binance coin, and a very bearish for XRP if we are watching 25 crypto. And what coin is the biggest loser in 24 hours? Top 20 coin, it is Near. Near protocol is going down with 10%, Solana 7%, and Tron is also going down with 7%. The biggest winner, it's hard to say winner because we have a minus, is BNB. BNB is going down only 3.3%. Shiba Inu is going down only 3.76%, and Doge plays number 3. But you can see all coins are red here. So what's going on with the Bitcoin dominance, guys? This is the Bitcoin dominance, a really bad downtrend. You can see it. Yes, the Bitcoin dominance is going down. We have a big support. This support is holding now. And what else can we see? The middle line of this parallel channel, and it is also holding. What else can we see? It is the daily time frame. We lost with the dominance our ribbon band here completely. We touched here the EMA 200, and yes, of course, we are going down again with the dominance. The dominance is about 41.5%, and yes, of course, it is going down. So that means, guys, it is better to trade altcoins as Bitcoins, or we can say the altcoins are not going down so hard as Bitcoin for the moment here with this big red candle. Now let's check Bitcoin himself. What's going on with Bitcoin? If we are checking this picture here, we have here a really nice chart picture, a parallel channel to the upside, a daily time frame. Every candle is 1 day, and let's check this parallel channel here to the upside. And what the hell is this red line? I can show you guys. If we are turning on the line chart, we can see the red line is a point from here, from this spike over this spike to the upside, and this is, or let me tell it, this was a long time support if you are watching the line chart, and here we lost it. I drawed it not nice on my last video because I drawed it not perfect to this point. We lost it here. We saw a nice spike to the upside. It was here a nice long position, a nice spike to the upside, and after this down we made a higher high. That's really nice. But we are making now, and that's really dangerous. Look at this point. We need to hold this point, or we are making a lower high, and that's really dangerous. Back to the candlestick chart, guys, and this is showing us this one. The last low on the candlestick chart was this point. This was 38,500. This was the last point. If we are looking the line chart, the last point was here. The last confirmed closing candle was here, 39,500. So we are now on this point, 39,500. We need to close this candle, this daily candle, 8 hours to close it over 39,500, not under 39,500. That's really important, guys, because if we are making a new lower low, a confirmed closing candle lower low, this would be a bad stuff. And if we are watching back again the candlestick chart, we have this point towards 38,500. So yes, of course, it is really dangerous, and we need to hold this position here. We need to hold this support. It is a really nice support of confirmed closing candles. We really never saw a confirmed closing candle since long time here under this price label, and it is 39,400. Okay, 39.5, 39.4. Maybe let me draw it a little bit better here. It is 39,400. This is the support we need to hold. If we will see a confirmed closing candle under this point, we have a problem, guys. So that's the big stuff for Bitcoin. Let's make here a parallel channel from the upside to the downside. And the big thing is, how can we draw it? Are we drawing it like this one? So we have some spikes to the upside over this point to the downside. Yes, of course, it's not so important for the moment. It is a new parallel channel to the downside. It's a little uptrend, and it's a more little uptrend, sorry guys, in this parallel channel to the upside, and we need to break out of this position. What happened? We saw a bad correction here on this point, a bad dump to the downside. Why? It is the 0.236 Fibonacci line, 41,400. This was a bad, ugly point here. We saw here a try to break out from this, a long wick to the upside. Bam! Confirmed closing candle under the Fibonacci line, and after this down to the downside. Okay, that's this point if you are watching this. But what is the future? What can we see? Yes, we need to hold 39,400. I told you this. Let me check the indicators. What is telling us? The moving average? No, the TDI, Traders Dynamic Index. Let's watch this one here. It's not looking so nice, guys. It's not really looking so nice. Why? Because we saw here a bad trend to the downside. And let me check it. Let me check something. Let me check a line from here to here. We broke here the support line, back up again, and now retesting the support. I hope this can hold, guys. It could be a nice stuff if this support line and this retest may hold here, and from this would be maybe a nice long position. So here is a support line. If you're watching the TDI, we have a little bit space to the downside, maybe a little spike more to the downside, but maybe this would hold here. This would be a next try for a long position here to the upside. It's not impossible. It's not impossible to catch the bottom here and to try to make a long position. Stop loss under the long position. Nothing big can happen. Yes, of course, it's possible to see a spike down, but guys, if this spike will go down more as this one, it's really bad, 38,500, because it is the lowest point here since long time. Okay, let's check a little bit more. Let's check what's going on with our golden desk cross indicator. Where it is, here it is, desk cross, and a long way to the downside. Here's the red line. Here is the green line. We saw a try to catch back the green line. No, we lost it, back down again. And you can see it live now for the moment. We are going deeper. We are going deeper under this important support line, guys. If we will see it confirmed, you know it, guys. Attention, attention. So let me check the 4-hour time frame. What's going on here? We saw here a little long signal, a green ribbon band, and it changed into a red one because we broke it down again. And that's really ugly. EMA 200. EMA 200 was 200. Yes, EMA 200 was a long time resistance here from this point. Resistance. We tried to break out over this. It was a little fake out and bam, down again. You know it, guys. If you're watching long wicks to the upside, they are really dangerous. They are showing us for the most times, oh my God, we are maybe going down again. So this is also possible. What I'm showing you now, it is the 4-hour time frame, guys. It is maybe a pattern. Look at this. It is maybe an inverse shoulder pattern. If this will play out, it is maybe not the better stuff to catch this thing here, to catch 39,400, make a long position, stop loss under entry, and yes, of course, up again. It is possible. It's not impossible. Everything is looking bad for the moment. I know it, inflation and so on and so on. Ukraine, I know it, but maybe it is possible to make an inverse shoulder long position from the right side here. Yes, not impossible. Where is the target? That's not easy. That's not easy to draw. Maybe a little bit better shoulder on this position. So maybe we can draw it something like this from here over this to this one. It's not so perfect, I know it, but maybe we can see here a point if we can break with this shoulder to the upside. Depends always where it's magic glass reading. I don't know, guys, but it's possible to go up back again to the Fibonacci 0.382, 46,500 maybe, if this will break out to the upside. Yes, not impossible. It's an interesting point now to watch this, guys. We are going lower and lower for the moment. It's interesting. I have to study a little bit more. Maybe I will make a long position here on the right side. It's not impossible. So, okay, guys, let's check the 1-hour time frame really quick. What's going on in the 1-hour time frame? Really important. If we are going deeper here, if we are going deeper under 38,500, you can forget inverse shoulder. We need to stay on this point or a little bit lower, okay, but not too low. That's interesting for the moment. EMA ribbon is here. You can see the ribbon band is here. EMA 200 is here. Everything is here. Yes, of course, we had a golden cross, but it is not so important on a 1 hour time frame. Let's remove it. And it's not looking really nice for the moment, I have to tell it. Moving average, let me check where it is. The Ichimoku cloud. What's going on with the Ichimoku cloud on the 1 day time frame? Let's check this one. Oh, it's looking really fantastic. A lot of lines here. Let's zoom in a little bit more. And what can we see? The blue line is here. We saw a fight with the blue line and we lost it. Let's check this one. Here it is better. We lost the fight with the blue line. This is the 9 lengths and the 26 lengths is the red one. Let me check really quick. Is it real? 9 lengths, 26. The baseline is the 26 and the baseline is the red one. The red one is the 26 lengths and the blue one is the 9 lengths. And yes, you can see we are trying to fight back, or we saw a fight with this blue line. We saw a try to catch the red one, but it was a too high place. And now we are going down again. So guys, all in all, remember, it's maybe this point that's really interesting to make a long position. It's always interesting to make a long position on the downside, not on the upside. And yes, we are going down again, retesting this important support. And this is the big thing what I am watching now. If we are watching this once again in the 1 hour time frame. So let's remove this beautiful Biti Da Vinci drawing here. This one also and this one also. Okay, let me check something. If we are drawing a Fibonacci from the lowest point on the 1 hour to the highest point, what can we see? And that's also really important, guys. This was the lowest point. This was the highest point. What can we see now? Yes, here it is. The fight on the 1 hour time frame with the Fibonacci line 0.786, 39,500. Here it is. Our big support. We saw it now, guys. We saw a long wick to the downside, and now to try to fight back here to the upside, to fight back here, sorry, the right shoulder here to the upside. This would be amazing. I hope for a breakout here to the upside. We have important lines to watch. If we can fight back, we have 0.66, the devil's Fibonacci, 40,000. We have the next thing, 0.618, 40,200. We have the next line here, 0.5 Fibonacci, 40,700. We have here the next important, and this is a really important one, 41,200. After this, we have this one here, 41,900. And yes, of course, if we can break out from this damn parallel channel, the next one is 42,900. This would be a nice try to break out with a right shoulder to this trend line. And after this, up to the downside. So guys, not a financial advice. This is the update for Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And remember, watch this. This here is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Live for you with signals, long and short, buy and sell. My videos here on the downside with, you can see agro trade here. You can see every second here a candle. You can see so much stuff and a lot of nice guys here. Please visit on Twitch or on YouTube. Bitcoin Trading Informant live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Thanks guys. Bye bye.
System activated.